What is up, Print Squad? I'm back with another video, and I got some big news. So if you guys want to see what the news is, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
All right, I'm gonna take you guys around on this side over here, right over here. As you guys see, this spot right here, over here, y'all see, it's some things missing. Y'all see that? Some stuff is missing. My heat press that used to be right here, the other heat press that I was supposed to return right here. So both of the heat presses are actually boxed up right now. I was thinking I should have filmed while my son and I was boxing them up, but since I did not, I gotta put this in here, and tomorrow I gotta finish packaging everything up. But yeah, I got right there the heat press, the second heat press number 2, and this is heat press number 1. Got to get the documents out of here. Let me see. Yeah, that's the instruction. Nope, that's for the 15 by 15. Y'all see how long I kept that 15 by 15 instructions? I don't know where the instructions to this one is at right now, but I will find it and have it in that box before I ship it back. Oh, here it is right here. And see, they didn't even say thank you. Oh, they did. They thanked me. There it is. Okay, so yeah, I got all the Hicks paperwork. I'm putting it back in here with this press. That's the one, all the paperwork for that one. Here's the paperwork for this one. But I do have to like wrap it up because I don't want it to get damaged any more than it already is. I don't want them to think that I on purpose damaged it or anything. So I'm gonna make sure that I wrap it up pretty good. So right here, we forgot to stick this in here. So I'm gonna try to stick it, I'm gonna try to slide it in here right quick. Yeah, this was just like closed up inside the press. Alright, so there we have it. Got that in there. Put the documentation in here. This is the covering and stuff that they had on it. I'm going to just toss it in this box because I'm going to get some new saran wrap or something so that I can secure it. So, did somebody say why? Why am I boxing everything up? Well, today I got a phone call from one of the supervisors at Hicks, and he actually told me that I'm gonna get over here in the light so y'all can see me good. Make sure y'all can see me good. And we got here to get up out of here because it's nighttime and my kids need to be at home so I can get in the bed. But anyway, the representative from Hicks, the supervisor, he called me today and he said that some of my subscribers, and I really appreciate y'all for that, you know, y'all emailed them and told them to check out the video and stuff like that, and they did check the video out, and the guy was like, one of the presses was shipped upside down and stuff like that. So we, you know, he was like, we're not gonna worry about sending anybody to work on the press because tomorrow, Wednesday, which is Wednesday, they were supposed to send someone here to install a part to the press to, you know, get that screen situation right. But they said that because it was shipped upside down and they saw how bad it was, you know, saw how bad everything was, they gave me the option to either ship me a third press or to get the money back. So what do y'all think I chose? Write your answers down there. Write your answers down there right now. I'm gonna give y'all a few minutes to put your answer down. What do y'all think I chose? And then I'm gonna come back and tell you what I did choose. But yeah, I did tell them I just want to get my money back. I was like, you know, after everything I've been through with this, I kind of just want to get my money back. And he said that he would make it happen. So yeah, I appreciate all of y'all for commenting, for emailing, for anything y'all did, prayers, anything y'all did. And I also appreciate y'all for all the support, because dealing with this issue, you know, I don't make a whole bunch of money, especially with me having to raise my 2 boys by myself, basically. You know, So I have to do the right things with my money. So if I'm buying things that's not working the way that they should, to me that's wasting money. But yeah, I'm gonna look around and I'm gonna make sure that I choose, you know, the press that I want this time. I don't know. I'm getting ready. I might just use this 15 by 15, and I'm getting ready to go to Dallas later in November. And I'll probably end up going somewhere over there while I'm there and purchasing a press in person so that I can make sure that everything is all right with it. But yeah, so I appreciate y'all, and that's all I got for you today. And I appreciate y'all for watching. And if you liked the video or found it helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And also, I have another channel, and I call that the red channel. At the end of this video, you'll see a green logo and a red logo. If you click on that red logo, you can subscribe to the red channel where I do live streams and giveaways. And also, I leave links down below the videos in case you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use. And I appreciate all you guys. Y'all just don't know. But I will see you in the next video. Prince Squad out.